Oh no, look at what they've done. I'm so sorry this happened to you. Hurry! It's Nova Rescue. There's a whale, it's trapped in chains. You have to come quickly, please hurry.
We have a killer whale trapped by the seashore. Get all equipment ready immediately.
Yes, sir.
We need to get to the whale ASAP.
We need to move fast!
This whale is in critical condition. This section here is the tightest. See how deep the chain is embedded.
Yes. I'll start applying gentle pressure on this link.
Everything you've got. It's not moving. It won't budge.
Gently now. 1, 2, 3. Secure the pectoral strap.
Look at him go.
Bye, Moby. See you next time.